guys, welcome back to Next with Nita, and today I will be doing a Trader Joe's haul because there's so many good things at Trader Joe's that I feel like is a hidden secret and people haven't shared yet. So let me go ahead and get started. We'll keep this video short and simple. There's a couple things that's not very Trader Joe's specific, but it's just things I need in the household, like blueberries, because Snuffy eats blueberries and so do we. Also, we love the organic creamy tomato soup, the low sodium one from Trader Joe's. So I share this every time we do grilled cheese and soup. This is what I use, and I know I got some questions on that. So good, so tasty. Sometimes we just sprinkle on some like black pepper and some seasoning on top. This is the cereal that we get. It's Trader Joe's Just the Clusters Maple Pecan Granola cereal. It is delicious. We love it. We also got the peanuts go on a date bar. So if you're allergic to peanuts, this may not be good for you. However, this bar is really, really good. It just tastes like it's like mixed with peanut butter. Here's the ingredients. Let me tell you: dates, peanut butter, peanuts, flaxseed meal, and sea salt. So it's actually it's not that bad for you, and we love it. Oh, and then let me tell you guys, the best salsa. I love this so much. It's their corn, black bean, and pepper salsa. This is so good with chips. It's the blend between like the corn and the beans, and like that, it has like a little bit of a kick. Highly recommend. It's not too spicy, like too spicy. So if you're like, oh no, I can't do spicy, it's really not that bad. We got two seasonings. One, I'm sure you guys have heard this one, but it's the everything but the bagel seasoning. Highly recommend to put this on everything. Everything from like avocado toast to like just anything you can possibly think of. This just goes so well. We always find ourselves restocking on this one. And this, I'm actually excited to try because this is the first time I saw this at Trader Joe's and I had to get it, but it's the everything but the elote seasoning. Do you guys see that? I can already tell this is gonna be my favorite. Sprinkle, sprinkle this container in a basic corn cob. Takes a turn to incredible. A roasted corn cob, a little butter, a little mayo, sprinkle, sprinkle, elote. But honestly, I feel like you can put this on so much, and I think I've never seen a really good blend like this before. So if you're at Trader Joe's, grab this. So yum. Okay, so I'm really into chai lattes recently, and it kind of gets a bit expensive, but I found this at Trader Joe's. It's their spicy chai tea latte mix. And I saw really, really good reviews on this, so I grabbed it. I will test it out. This is not something that I have tested out yet, so just gonna throw that out there. But it seemed like it had good reviews. And the girl at Trader Joe's was raving about this as well. So if you're into chai lattes, this is a good one to get. This, I didn't know we got. It seems like Ajeet picked this up, but organic dried mango. Ooh. I love dried fruit, you guys, and mango, this one will definitely hit the spot. And then Ajeet also picked up beef jerky. This is somehow always in our cart, and I'm surprised by it every single time. Ajeet like sneaks it, because beef jerky is actually rather expensive, but this one in particular, the sweet and spicy flavor, is delish. So if you're into that, this is a good one. Okay, so some of these I'm just gonna zoom right through. Spinach. Not really Trader Joe's specific, we just needed it along with the eggs, but these are free range and all the things, so we love getting it from there. And then we also got this lemon chicken and arugula salad. That's one thing we love getting from Trader Joe's is their salads because they taste so fresh and healthy and delicious. And this one comes with like a prepackaged sauce as well. Oh, and then we also got the Southwestern chopped salad right here. Health reasons. What else? Peanut and crispy noodle salad kit. So we are into salads. I'm telling you, Trader Joe's salads are so good. We also got chicken fried rice to go with their Mandarin orange chicken. I have yet to find Mandarin orange chicken prepackaged this good. So just FYI, Trader Joe's has the best. I mean, I've gotten some from different places. They don't taste as good. This is delicious. So if you love Asian food, Chinese food, combine this with fried rice and you just got yourself a meal for days. Okay, let's quickly talk healthy real quick. We love getting the cauliflower gnocchi from Trader Joe's. Looks like this. Find it, scoop it up, grab 100 bags. Every time we go, I feel like they're low in stock. It's so good, so quick to make. Quick tip for the gnocchi, just put it on a pan and like saute it with a teeny tiny bit of oil and until it like gets a little brown, and then you're good to go. That's how we make it. Tastes wonderful. And we also mix it with the kale pesto sauce, which is here. Look for this, grab 100. Here's something we haven't tried, but I found it at our local Trader Joe's. It's their kale gnocchi. I thought this was interesting. So I'm gonna give this a shot. And I'll put it in the description box, like an update of if I like this or not compared to the cauliflower one. Also just picked up some free range chicken and then ice cream. So this is JoJo's Cookies and Cream Light ice cream. Light. Okay, so contains 80% less fat and 56% fewer calories than regular cookies and cream ice cream. So 310 calories in here and 20 grams of protein per pint. So you want the protein? You go for JoJo's. You go for the JoJo's ice cream. Can I have like a spoon, please? Back on the health side of things, turmeric shots. Okay, I feel like you can probably make this at home. However, this is easy. So it's a blend of coconut water, turmeric, and lemon juices with added black pepper. If you feel like you're getting sick or you are traveling and you want to make sure your immune system is intact, take this shot daily for like 3 days in a row. I swear, I feel like this prevents me from getting sick sometimes, and it's just really healthy. Obviously, turmeric and black pepper combined is really, really good for you. Note that if you're taking turmeric, you will need black pepper to activate it into your system. Just like a little fun fact, just having turmeric alone won't really do the trick. So turmeric and black pepper. We also got the peanut butter protein granola. Ajeet likes mixing this in his yogurt. Just adds a little bit of crunch and flavor, but also added protein. And this is at Trader Joe's as well, obviously, because it is a Trader Joe's haul. Also picked up some bananas, not Trader Joe's specific, just things we needed. And I had one more thing. Babe, where's my where's my peanut butter cups? What did I tell you about waiting to eat this until after we're done filming?
So wait.
God, now a whole one. It's open, the whole bag. How many did you eat? Get out. Get out of this place. You already ate like at least 4. Yes, cough away. Yeah, that's what you get. This is what you get. Okay, the last thing, and probably the most important thing of this Trader Joe's haul, are these dark chocolate peanut butter cups. So it says dark chocolate, which means they're healthy. And I can eat 100 of these and all will be fine. So just FYI, that's my justification to constantly eating this. But just quick thing on facts. Calories 180, serving size 3. So I can have 3. And then sugar 17 gram and sodium 95 milligrams. And these small Okay, and this small bag, which Ajeet ate half of already, I think it's either $1.99 or $1.99. I think $1. It does come in like a bigger box, just FYI, those are very dangerous. You will not be able to eat just one. Putting it out there, and if you do, then I don't know if we can be friends. Just kidding. All right, you guys, I think that's a wrap. Now I can break my intermittent fasting right there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will... Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye! Oh wait, there's one more thing. Let me tell you about the flowers at Trader Joe's. Even in New York, we get our flowers from Trader Joe's because A, they're way more affordable and they're better quality and they last longer. I don't know what and where they get them from, but we always like to get flowers from there. It's so nice. This time we ended up doing an orchid. I love creating little floral arrangements in our home. However, sometimes it's nice and easy just to get an orchid because it lasts forever. For the amount you're paying for regular flowers, like they die pretty quick compared to orchids. So if you want to get a gift or want something to last long in your house, orchids are the way to go. Very low maintenance, and sometimes they even like regrow if you put it in the sun. Like if you feel like it's dying, they'll just like come back to life. It's very weird and interesting. Okay, now we're officially done with the Trader Joe's haul. So thank you guys again for watching, and we will chat soon. Bye!